Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox on PC. First, let's tackle the basics. A simple restart of your computer and internet router can often clear up many common issues, giving your system a fresh start. Also, it's a good idea to quickly check the Roblox server status online. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end at all. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your PC's date and time are correct, as these small details can surprisingly impact game performance. If the basic checks don't work, a fresh installation is often the next best step. Completely uninstall Roblox from your computer, then make sure to delete any leftover files in your app data folders for a truly clean removal. After that, download and install the newest version directly from the official Roblox website. While you're at it, take a moment to update your graphics drivers. This can significantly improve game stability and visual quality. Sometimes, network or security settings can block Roblox. Try temporarily disabling your firewall and antivirus software to see if they are interfering. If that helps, remember to add Roblox and its necessary files as exceptions to your security programs. Flushing your DNS cache can also resolve network address problems. For a more stable connection, especially during gameplay, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. If you're still facing issues, there are a few more things to try. You might run Roblox in compatibility mode for an earlier Windows version, which can sometimes resolve conflicts. Always ensure your Windows operating system has all its latest updates installed. If you usually launch Roblox through a web browser, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also help. Finally, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support with a detailed description of your problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.